Alright, so somebody requests the video say they want to know how the rough casting do, because I'm not so versed on it. So peeps, it's all in the wrist movement, you understand? Wrist movement. So go the matter. Wrist. Turn. You understand? Turn. Turn. It seems easy, as you guys. And when you do it, it can't work. No man, it's not so hard enough, people. It's just risk. You just turn the risk. Back and forth. You understand? Back and forth. Yeah man. Not so hard now guys, that's it. Wrist movement man. You say people, do it again. Alright, watch your wrist, watch your wrist. Take up. You notice how I turn my hand? Look at my hand. And you come round back with it. You understand? Swing. So peeps, back, forward. Back, forward. You understand? With the wrist turning. Jaja. Real dirty man work this, no people. You see it? You know, look for me. That's why I have to put on a long sleeve shirt, you know? Keep off some of them. Something here. Yeah. Alright. So somebody requests the video say they want to know how the rough casting do, because I'm not so versed on it. So peeps, it's all in the wrist movement. You understand? Wrist movement. So you understand? It's just go the matter. Risk. Turn. You understand? Turn. Turn. It seems easy, as you guys. And when you do it, it can't work. No man, it's not so hard enough, people. It's just risk. You just turn the risk. Back and forth. You understand? Back and forth. Yeah man. Not so hard now guys, that's it. Wrist movement man. Just keep practicing people, you will get it, you understand? You will get it. Just in the wrist movements. Move the wrist back and forth, you understand? Let me catch it. Back and forth. So just a wrist to turning man. Right in here so guys. So right here so. You man, turn. You man so. This is a backarm technique we are showing you guys. You understand? So you have two types of technique when the rough casting. You have the forearm with your flash front way. You understand? And the backarm. This is the backarm. There guys. It's all in the wrist movement. Catch it again, peeps. See it? Back and forth. That is it, man. Also deep. That's how you beat it out, you understand? Next bucket I make you reach it out, you understand? Yeah man, outside peeps, outside. Scratch coat we giving this, you know guys. So you're watery. Yeah, so we put on a scratch coat on the black surface so it don't crack up, you understand? scratch coat. So it's soupy and nice. Yeah. So you give your first coat of mortar on the wall. Soft and nice. So you hold on to the surface, you understand? Rough casting is not hard, but just the wrist. You have to just know how to move the wrist back and forth. You understand? And you can't be too timid when you use this the trowel, you understand? You can't be too timid when you're rough cast. You have to just put all the effort in it. If you're timid, you have to just go so and you just slide off, you understand? You just get in the groove, man. Put it on the wall. You understand? When you're timid, you're afraid you're going to drop off, you understand? Yep, we have a card line and things string up. Plumb up and thing, you understand? Because some of the wall is bad. You have to screed it up and flush it out. Come to perfection. See, I know it's screed don't reach where it's supposed to go. With the mortar. There's a lot of flashing to do under here. But in the meantime, this is dry. We're going to spray out the middle, you understand? So we're ready to flash out the middle. And it's so cool and slide off, so this is a little crepe. Dry. Okay, no light. So we're outside. And the artist. Where's the artist? Yes, I go on and I'll pass this. Inside the people in the house are wet up, so we seal it off outside. Some rough cast. That is it. Man, the people who don't got no still there, you understand? Busy, I must have some work. Scratch coat it out. It go and dry. So when that go, and this piece of water dry, we go just start flashing about this food again. And then we get rid of them. Take that. That is it, man. With empty coming again. See the people? A lot of mortar on the ground. I will say me work alone. I will work alone, guys. So when you see me, just because I don't catch persons in the camera most of the time. You understand? Yeah, man. So, we finish rough cast all the inside. This is a garage. Yeah. Inside rough cast out already. So we're on the outside now. So right here, so we're going to extend that doorway. It's a 32 door. We're going to put a 36 door there. So we're going to cut it out. That section that I cut off back. You understand, people? Yeah. Just flush out that piece, not fully dry it. So we're going to go back in there and finish it up. That is it. We're on the outside. I'll touch them out about people. Old drum cover that. Check that. Ice. That's what it is. Yeah, do that. So, quarter inch or less. So guys, let me show you something. Sometimes you guys ask that you want a half-inch screen or stuff like that, but sometimes when the wall body won't get that. You understand? Because wall always out of plumb when the wall body are bent up. So you don't normally go and get a half-inch out of rough casting right through. As you can see, this is where the line plumb. That is probably quarter inch or less. To about 3/4 inch up there. So. Glass black them. Make me stop them. Yeah guys, so as I said before, you know, rough casting is not hard, it's just in the wrist movement. Understand? I was at the stage like you people also. I was just learning it. When I take up the mortar and flash it, gone behind you. Or it slide off a ground. So we do the black giant, you understand? They're easy to rough cast. Get some hard material and flash it inside the mortar giant them with them wide. You understand? Flash out the mortar giant and easy to rough cast out when I do that. See that tape? On the outside. Rough chaos, you understand? You say people do it again. Alright, watch your wrist, watch your wrist. Take up. You notice how I turn my hand? Look at my hand. And you come round back with it. You understand? Swing. So peeps, back, forth. Back, forward. You understand? With your wrist turning. So because this thing, and I flash it, I just cut it down with the handboard. You understand? Don't make it dry out. Because it's going to scrape our back. Just like that.